How to search value in all Excel file in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you an excellent way that will help you search a value within all the workbooks you have within a certain folder. I'm going to use Visual Basic for application for this task, and let's get started. Now take a look at this worksheet. It's an empty workbook and we want to search this order number within a specific folder, and there are a lot of Excel files and I want to search all the files for this order number. Okay, so for that I'm going to click on the developer tab. If you don't have developer tab, please check out this tutorial and you'll learn how to add developer tab in Excel. Once you have added the developer tab, click on that and click on Visual Basic, then click on insert and then click on module. Now you will have to write a code, and I have already prepared the code. Here is the code. I'll be leaving a link for this code in the video description. Please check it from there. Once you go through the link, you will get this code and you'll have to just copy it from there. Okay, once you have added the code, just close the VBE, and if you need this feature frequently, you will have to save this workbook. I'm going to click on file, click on save as, click on desktop, and I'm going to save this workbook in .xlsm format. If I click on this save as type drop down, here is Excel macro enabled workbook, which is .xlsm. Okay, if I don't save this workbook within this format, our code will not be available if I open this workbook next time. So I'm going to select it, and now I'm going to click on save. So our code is ready, our workbook is saved. Now I'm going to run the code. So from the developer tab, click on macro, and here you will find search files in folders. I'm going to click on run. It's asking for a folder name and I'm going to select the folder test. Okay, so it's in local disk E and the folder name is test. If I click OK, and it's asking for the text I want to search for. So I'm going to write here the order number, which is SO45080. So this is the order number I want to find out. I'm going to click OK, and we have a pop-up search complete. If I click OK, a new worksheet has been created, and here you can see this is the workbook name, this is the worksheet name, and this is the cell reference, and this is the text we want to find out. Okay, now here in this workbook I have two worksheets where I have pasted the same order number, and here in this workbook I have two worksheets where I have pasted the same order number, one with the single order number and the another in that cell we have other text also. So it has found out the order number inside a cell, and within that cell there is a lot of text, but it doesn't matter, it will find out. Okay, now here in this worksheet we have here, and this worksheet we have here. So let's check out. Go to our specific folder. This is the worksheet, and new sheet cell B2, this is the serial number. If I go to our search workbook, you can see new sheet, which is sheet 1 cell B2 serial number, and there is another worksheet in that workbook which is insert new line. So I'm going to go to that file and click on insert new line, and here in cell B4 we have the order number. So if I go to this cell, and here the cell reference is B4. So this is how you can find out, this is how you can search something within all the workbooks you have inside a folder. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.